Hey, Jay-Z with GETZ Digital Marketing here, and today I want to talk about affiliate marketing scams. There's a lot of people out there that are skeptical and are worried that they're going to get scammed, and they have a right to be afraid. There's a lot of scams out there, and you have to know how to point them out. So the first one I want to talk about are these pay low up front, but then you get lured in. Say they're going to ask you for $100 up front, and then they suck you into maybe some kind of PDF document that shows you a little bit of information you just could have gotten off the internet somewhere, and then they give you a little spiel. They're going to ask you for $1,000 up front in order to get to their higher training. This is how they do it, and you get sucked in. So make sure is it going to cost me long term, and do I have to pay $100 right now, and then another $1,000 or $2,000 later? What is the total cost? Okay, number two, they are going to hit you with a yearly membership fee. Okay, so a lot of times they will get you sucked into some kind of membership fee that they're going to give you training every year, and every year they're going to update your training, so you're stuck paying thousands of dollars over time, over years even. Don't fall into that trap. And number three, now if they're promising you a bunch of money overnight, that's not going to happen. The only way you could do that is if you win the lottery, and even that is not easy because you're paying money into buying lottery tickets, right? Now what you have to look for is something that first of all, you want to look for somebody who is honest. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to know up front and look into that person's Facebook, or look into that person's posts and see what they're posting. What are they asking? Do they look kind of scary? Right? If they look scary, your gut is telling you they're not the right person, or you are going to get scammed. If they're trying to lure you in through a phone app, or trying to have you pay directly to them through PayPal, that is not a good idea. Make sure it's a legitimate website and a legitimate service or product that they're selling. So what you want to look for is low risk and high return on investment. Okay, little out of pocket, but high return on investment. But that doesn't mean it's going to be easy. So you got to put in the time if you want to get the dime. Okay. So that is something I just made up right now, but it sounds good and it rhymed. That's why I said it. Anyways, so look out for those scams out there, but at the same time, don't avoid a good opportunity that might come up. Just look into it and find out if that person is truly honest, and ask them directly for the questions you have, and ask them to be honest with you. Most likely you'll find somebody who is going to be honest and tell you right up front it's not easy. But if you find the right opportunity and persevere and be consistent, you will get results. Now, if you follow my program, which is just below, you'll see the link. And mine is not a scam, I promise you that. And low risk, high return on investment, but you got to put the work into it. All right? So here I am with GETZ Digital, and we'll get you going. And please, I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I would certainly appreciate it. And you will get more videos like this coming in the near future. Thanks.